Hello everyone and welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to clear RAM cache in Windows 11. First, open Task Manager on your computer by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape or right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Now click on Performance. Here, you will see various performance metrics, including the cached memory. Next, open your web browser and search for RAM app to find a tool for clearing the RAM cache. Now click on the first link in the search results to go to the RAM map download page. Then click on Download RAM map to start the download process. Here, click on OK to confirm the download. Once the download is complete, click on Open to access the downloaded file. Now double-click on the first file in the folder and click on Run. Here, click on the empty menu at the top. Then select Empty Standby List. Now you will see that the RAM cache has been cleared. You have successfully cleared the RAM cache in Windows 11. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.